Okay, welcome back to Career Dave. This is just a quick update. As you know, I got this the 3D printer, the 85X. It's a mouthful to say. Fantastic printer. I've decided to get rid of my pit, and I'm starting to make my own. So this is the layout that I've got for my pit. So I've started 3D printing all my own stuff. Actually made like a few other bits and pieces here too, so you've got like another little garage there and bits and pieces all over the place here. But yeah, no, it's going to save me a lot of money, but that's my 3D printing stuff. So anyway, I'll end up putting the other tower on top of that. Also, I'm in the process of doing my light towers as well. I'm going to make light towers, so everything that I've handmade out of balsa wood, I'm going to slowly replace. I will keep some of it though, because some of it looks pretty unique. I've got one old grandstand there that I'm going to keep. But yeah, so that's where we are at the moment. That's why you haven't seen me for a while. I've been doing a lot of 3D printing. Yeah, so I'll show you a time lapse of something getting made, and you can get the idea. So here's a quick time-lapse video of the 3D printer making one of the walls. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch us in the next one.